Before I go anywhere, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth system. So first of all, any screen, first of all we're making sure that Bluetooth is on, then we're watching out at the bottom. We go over to the system, you can see down the side there you've got phone navigation and so on. That's the home button, it pulls this screen up. So if it was on navigation, for instance, I'm going to agree that, but if it was on navigation, you just click the home button, then it comes up at the side. We don't want audio, so I can go back. We want phone. Here we go. Dock phone none. Change phone, search new. We want search new. It's already picked the car up here, but I want it to pick it up from the system. I want the car to pick the phone up, not the phone to pick the car up. Sometimes you do it that way and it just says no phone or not paired or whatever. Right, so here we go. Pair and dock, not paired, pair and dock. To pair and dock phone, enter 1322. So it's already generated a random pin code. 1322. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Jaguar there, waiting. Connected. That's it, done. Phone docked.